Alright, so this is your homework video, and this video isn't going to follow any demonstration. Usually I follow a demonstration with these, but actually this is pretty self-explanatory. So I thought I'd just kind of talk about it and then put you on your way. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is just to do 2 design studies, 10 minutes each. And on those design studies, it's basically as simple as this. You pick 2 principles that I've talked about, maybe 3 you choose depending on how difficult you want to go, and then you just apply them in 10 minutes. You just focus on those 2 ideas and those 2 ideas only. You just draw with simple line art. You don't have to paint. Let's just focus on line. If you're more advanced, maybe you can try to paint it. If not, I would say focus on just line art. And I want you to do about 2 of those in 10 minutes each, is about 20 minutes. Then I want you to move forward with like doing it again, but this time I want you to focus on story and ideas, and then also functionality. And those also very simple, 10 minutes each. Don't spend any more than that. So again, this will be about 20 minutes worth of work. So total of your studies should be about 40 minutes. And then after that, you want to test it. And I would say after every one, maybe test, do another, or do a test. So every one study of the two different principles, and then one study of like story or functionality, and then do a test, and then do it again, right? But anyways, you do a test, again, focus on line art only, focus on what you've learned. Maybe it's the ultimate thing. You're going to try to do 2 or 3 or 4 things at once. You're going to give yourself 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes, so that way you can really think about everything you're doing. That way it allows you to see what you may have done wrong, or what you are intentionally doing wrong. You can start to see it, okay? And then once you've done that, I would say, go back and study again, okay? And if you're having a hard time seeing this stuff on your own, I would say go look at reference, see where you can find in other people's work or in nature or in the world, look at other images and start to say, okay, well, how is this looking good to me? Oh, I see, I recognize the layer caking, or I recognize rules of 3, or I recognize both of these, I recognize all of this. You can do this as kind of an extra activity in terms of studying. And in fact, I encourage you guys to do it, but it's not necessarily required. And then on top of that, it's just 5 pages total. So all of this work will equal about 8 to 12 hours of work. And keep in mind that you, again, like with the previous lessons, you can add more time, you can take less off, depends on what you feel you're capable of doing. But I want you to do more and more work throughout this course. I want you to get used to actually doing this and creating a pattern to basically get up to about 15 hours of work every week, okay? Because if you can start to invest 15 hours of work, you will truly improve quickly, and you will truly improve consistently, and that's what I think you guys want. And so with that, I can't wait to see you guys' studies, and good luck, and see you guys in the next week's lesson.